Okay, so I've got the existing compass removed. I've also removed the old head. Old head sitting over there. Again, all it is just a Phillips screw. The head comes off. Obviously, you disconnect everything. Now with the iPilot, here's the new board. If you're going to be using the old compass, obviously you'll be hooking up your control wires from the autopilot per the instructions. But iPilot does not use these, so you're going to have to just heat shrink these guys. You'll be using the battery voltage. Your steering motor is your black and white wires. Those black and white wires are going to come directly from the iPilot now. So again, you're going to eliminate all these colored wires. Black and white, red and black, that's it. All these wires here, you're going to have to heat shrink and just clean them up, put them away. Pretty much, that's it. There's a new board. I still have to hook up the power off, obviously, but it's coming along.